One part of this unit test on force and acceleration, or Newton's laws, was to give them a situation where they looked at a 1 kilogram cart that had 0.5 newtons of applied force acting on that cart. And so what the students had to do was they were given different situations that were going to change the situation of the cart. So for example, number 7 says the mass of the cart is increased from 1 kilogram to 2 kilogram. So in that case, the mass is doubled. So they had to decide if the acceleration would be less, greater, or the same. And so it helps them go through these different situations, and they're really looking at the relationships of Newton's first law between force and acceleration and mass and acceleration. And so this is not necessarily quantitative where we're having them solve problems, but they should be able to use what they know about the relationships to be able to solve the problems. And so the best problems here were when they were talking about force. When the force increased or decreased, they were able to recognize that relationship, but the mass was a little bit more difficult. And when they put together two different things or switch things around, it was a little bit more difficult for them to figure that out. But it really showed me who knew what was going on with Newton's second law and who didn't know.